Even on a night like this, a detective like myself knows that one should always be prepared, because you never know when a new case will come knocking on the door. Yeah, great detective. Oh! What? Oh, Queen! This is a case for Jumbo Man, Ace Detective!
Nino!
My song fruit! Oh, my precious song fruits!
Good morning, Queen. I am Detective Jumbo Man in charge of the case.
Nino!
This is my partner, Psychic Man. What's the problem?
My song fruits! They've disappeared! Oh, it's all too much. Oh, if you'll excuse me, I must sleep.
Maybe someone has been taking them. We have to find out who did this.
We can find the fruit by listening to the sounds of the fruit.
I've got it! We can find the fruit by listening to the sounds of the fruit. This is a case for Jumbo Man, Ace Detective.
And Psychic Man, Ace Detective 2.
I'll listen for song fruit with my Jumbo Man listening device, like this.
And I'll bring my sidekick xylophone to help us remember the fruit sound, like this.
Enough talk! We have a thief to catch.
Yeah.
Bip, 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 bip. Stop! Oh. Is that possible? Could Minna be our fruit thief?
Oh no! The thief is Minna!
Minna!
Oh, hold it right there! Oh, I'm sorry!
Minna!
What?
Lately, some very strange things have happened in Jumbo. Don't you think?
What's the matter with you?
Is there something you want to tell us about the Queen's song fruits?
What are you talking about, nerd?
We heard the telltale fruit sound coming from your lab.
That telltale sound. You two are crazy. It's coming from my test subjects. They are dodos with hiccups. I've been working on a cure all night long. So goodbye. I have work to do. 1 second.
Yes, well, sometimes the truth is hard to face. Ah! Queen!
Nino!
Detective Jumbo Man in charge again.
No, another fruit is missing.
The fruit thief has struck again!
Oh, my. Something must be done. Yeah.
Will this cad never stop?
Look! Tiny footprints! The thief left clues behind.
Look! Tiny footprints! The thief left clues behind. We know someone tiny. Oh, sweet little Rita has entered a life of fruit crime.
I don't know, Bello. That's... Psst. Hello!
I told you to learn the secret signals. Oh, it doesn't matter. Follow me. Aha! We've got you, señorita! We know you have the Queen's song fruit. Hand them over, Bandito.
I don't have any song fruit. What are you talking about?
What about the telltale sound?
Oh, so bonito!
But how do you explain your footprints in the Queen's garden?
I play hide and seek with the dodos there!
Bip, 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 bip. I know we've had to rely on my investigative ideas up to this point.
Well,
Still, that thief keeps mocking us.
well, I think...
But that's okay. If you have any ideas, I would love to hear them. Good idea, Detective Sidekick Man. The thief will surely strike again. You should expose your ideas more frequently.
I should...
Shh! Someone's coming!
Is that the...
Yes, it is! Who would have thought? Well, well, well. After a detailed investigation, we have discovered the identity of the thief.
Oh, really?
You are!
Me? But when?
While you were sleepwalking!
Oh, I have been known to do that from time to time. Well, at least that's the mystery solved.
No, not really. We don't know where you put your song fruits.
I don't either. I was asleep. Oh, my poor darling.
Here they are!
My plants! Thank you, boys. You saved the day.
Yeah! You're amazing and forever. You're the best thing that could happen. You're my friend, and I love you, and you'll be there till the end. Yes, I love you, and we'll always be this way. When the stars all disappear, I know you will be here.
Detective Jambo Man. Oh, thank you.
You ran out of bubbles. So long. Take care. See you soon. We love you. See you, little smile in a while now. 'Cause we'll be back again so very soon. With music and magic moments just for you. This is Jelly Jam. See you soon.